local derbies are never easy, and this afternoon we in the end secured a 2-0 win against Pwllheli. And your thoughts on the 90 minutes and the performance overall?
Yeah, I think obviously winning the games, the be all and end all, the most important thing. So we've got to be happy that we've won the game, but you know, performance-wise, we're a little bit flat. I said to the boys before the game, the last two first halves at home against Rillen and Llangefni have been our best performances of the season, and we wanted to try and recreate that, but we just couldn't get going at the start of the game, and it was a bit scrappy in the first half. But you know, we still took our chances, took our goals in the first half, and rightfully in front, in my opinion. And second half, we were trying our best to try, you know, the amount of shots that we had on goal, we were trying to extend the lead and give them people behind the goal a little bit more to celebrate, but it just wasn't to be. And at the end of the day, it's 3 points and we're happy with it.
And 2 goals for Roshan Evans as well. Yeah. Could have been a hat-trick, but somehow we missed.
I think I said to him, I think he missed the easiest one. But now the second goal in particular is a great goal, obviously, but that's what we've missed. Obviously, we brought him in the summer with that in mind. We know he's a goal scorer and what he can give us, and we know we're lucky to have him. So we just wanted him fit, but obviously not been the case till now. But as you can see, he's found his feet straight away and doing really well for us.
We're looking back at the last 12 months. How do you see the last 12 months? Have we improved, or can we improve again?
Yeah, obviously disappointed that we didn't go up last season, but you know, we did win a trophy for the first time in 20 plus years for the club, so that was a good day for everybody. And in terms of where we are at the moment, I've said to the boys, we're at 14 game mark now. We need to win the next game, and we're ahead of schedule in my mind at the halfway point. And if you look at my bench today, the squad's in a much better shape than it was in last season. Obviously, we only had a few development players on the bench near enough every week this time last year. But I think if you look at my bench today, I think 5 or 6 of them are getting any team in the league. So we're in a good position in that regard, and it's just about build momentum, keep going through these winter months and getting the wins.
And just league games to play, that's all it is.
Full focus on the league, obviously trying to get to what we want to achieve.
Diolch yn fawr, Chris.
Blwyddyn
newydd dda.